guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Marika. If you are new, make sure you are subscribing and make sure you are clicking that bell button so you are notified when I upload a new video. So let's get on with today's video. I wanted to do a Boxycharm unboxing for you guys. I know it has been a while since I did that, but that's because I've been so busy, and then every time I wanted to do an unboxing Boxycharm video for you guys, it's already like the end of the month, and then the new box is already like on my way to my house, and so I've skipped a couple of months, but we're back on track with the Boxycharm unboxing. So I already opened this because I did this whole makeup look for you guys. You guys will see at the end of my unboxing on how I did this look, using all of the stuff that I got in this month's box. So we are gonna open it up, and this month's theme is Boxy Bash. Just looks like this, and on the back it has all of the descriptions of the items or products that you are getting in the box. So the first thing that I'm gonna pull out is the pretty Vulgar ink liner pot. This packaging is so cool. I'm kind of in love with it, but it's so bulky I don't even know where to store it. So this is the ink gel eyeliner. It's highly pigmented gel eyeliner, provides quick drying application with enriched vitamin C to condition the lids. It is also water resistant, that allows for smooth application that stays in place all day. This retails for $24. I do have it on my eyes right now, but when I applied this on my eyes, I was pretty scared because it's been forever since I used a gel liner. You know, the whole thing with the brush and then the gel liner. I'm just like a gel pen kind of girl nowadays. I've never used these in forever, so I thought like my liner today would not look so good, so that's probably why. I'm just out of practice. Along with that, I also used to apply the eyeliner with this eyeliner brush right here, and it comes with a trio with a spoolie, the angled liner brush, and like a eyeliner brush. And this retails for $45 for 3 of these. This is really expensive, guys. Oh my gosh. And they are from Aesthetica. That's what it's called. And then I also tried the Aesthetica P12 face brush, and this retails for $27. I did use it to contour, and I didn't really know how I was gonna use this brush, and it's a face brush, so obviously it's gonna be a little flimsy, so when I did contour, it showed up a lot like that. I don't know, we're gonna talk about that on the next one. So I also received a blurring primer from CoverFX, and this retails for $38. This is probably one of my favorite items in the box just because I love blurring primers, so yeah. And then it comes with a palette to this month's box, and it is from the PUR Sculptor Palette, and this retails for $30. Comes with a mirror, and then you get like 2 highlighters and 2 bronzers. I used this bronzer right here, and I do not like it. It's way too pigmented. I used a heavy hand. I didn't know that it was gonna be that pigmented, so I tried to blend it out, but I know I'm showing you guys all my flaws, but makeup is like not perfect, so I tried to blend it out as much as I can, but it's kind of too late, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm just probably gonna wash my face after this video because I just don't like how this turned out, and I don't know, it doesn't give me that natural look that I wanted because it was way too pigmented. Imagine if I used the darker shade. Oh my god, that's gonna be like really muddy on my face. I don't like it. especially well, the bronzer I don't like. The highlighter I'm fine. I use the Trailblazer right here, which is like a golden highlighter, and I like it. It's really pigmented, but it has a lot of fallout. It has a lot of glitter and it has a lot of fallout, so yeah, I'm not sure if I like this palette, so I don't know. And then the last thing there is in this box is the hand skincare cosmetics, and this is $15. It is a lip gloss, and it's a really pigmented lip gloss, so you don't really need to use lipstick underneath it. You can just apply it on its own, and it's so beautiful, and it's not sticky, and it's not bothering my lips. So there you guys go. That's all that I got from my Boxycharm this month. So if you want to keep watching and see how I did this whole look, then just keep on watching. Anyways guys, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!